Ready? Say hi first. Say hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Say hi first.
Hi. Hi.
Say-
Oh, yan. Sige, go na.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay, go. Ready?
Yung A.
A for apple.
Apple. Very good.
B for ball.
Ball. Very good. Parang ito.
C for cat.
Cat. Ian. Ian.
D for dog.
Dog.
E for elephant.
Elephant.
F for flower.
Flower. Very good. Here.
G for giraffe.
Giraffe.
H for hat.
Hat. Very good.
I
Mahirap
for
yan.
ice cream.
I got.
Again, let me see.
J for juice.
Juice.
K for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L for ladder.
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 Say ladder.
M
There.
for milk.
Say milk.
Alam mo yan eh.
Say milk. Milk. Say milk.
M for milk.
Ay, naglalaro na. Oh, you know
N
that.
for nose.
Nose.
Yes.
O for orange.
What?
Becky.
P for pig.
Pig. That's right.
Mahirap yan.
For queen.
Queen.
R
Huh?
for rabbit.
Rabbit.
S for sun.
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 May mga letters pa hindi niyo ma-pronounce.
Oh, I...
There.
T for truck.
Truck.
Yes.
U for umbrella.
Ay, hindi niya alam yan. Mahirap yan.
V for violin.
Huh?
For
Your favorite?
watermelon.
Watermelon.
Say watermelon.
Say Mississippi.
X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Z
You know that.
zebra.
Ay, wala na. Very good, Ian! Yay! You clap your hands, you clap your hands.
Clap your hands. Clap your
Clap your
hands
hands, Ian,
first.
first.
Clap your hands. Yay.
Yay!
Okay, you want animals? Oh, we're done with animals.